everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have my makeup of the week, my everyday makeup bag, everyday makeup drawer. I had a drawer, but I call it my everyday makeup bag. You all know the drill if you've watched this long enough. So let's get into the makeup products I'm going to be using for this week. You know, I always like to change it up, use the products, because sometimes after you use products for a certain length of time, you decide if you really, really like it or if you really, really hate it. Sometimes they're in between, but let's just dive right in. First off, with the primer, this is the Becca. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up. It's just the mini size, the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I've tried this. I'm not sure how well I like it. I mean, I think it's just kind of okay, but it's not anything I'm like, this is amazing. Yeah. Then my correctors, you know, I have my Benefit Erase Paste, which is actually now called Blowing Airbrush or what have you. And this Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and Corrector, amazing for like the redness on my chin and my cheeks. Amazing. I love it. My sister, I think, found that at TJ Maxx, so be sure you check out your TJ Maxx. I know they've had a lot of Kat Von D, a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's even been some MAC stuff floating around in there, so make sure you check your TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I really do like this foundation. It's a great foundation for like $5. Really, really good. And I even have dry skin, and I consider this more matte. I kind of consider it more semi-matte, but it does well with my skin. The under eye concealer is the Naked Skin. I love this concealer. I know this does have a pretty big cult following. I don't think it's as big as the Shape Tape, which I've still not tried, but it's kind of got a flat paddle, which I really, really like, and it blends in really great, so I really like that. Concealer powder, my Holy Grail powder, my Mercier. I love that under eye setting powder, or even all over face too. And I really like this Wet n Wild Photo Focus press powder too. I think this is really good. And I have dry skin, so I'm usually not all about the powders, but I've been using it a little bit more on my face, and I've liked this, and I know I've had it in a favorites video. Blusher, some Wet n Wild. This is a Wet n Wild type of week. I have a Wet n Wild concealer, but I don't know where it's at. But I'll use the Naked Skin. This is the Color Icon in Purple Haze. I think I got this at Walmart a while back, and I love this color. I think this is a really good summer color, but you know, and that's what it looks like. It's just so pretty. I love it. Okay. And what do I usually do next? Bronzer. I think bronzer. Now I'm also using my Sephora. This is the big kit that the bestie got me for my birthday. I think I was just going to use one of the bronzers. I know there's a big mirror right there. But if I hold it like this, there are some blushes and some bronzer. So I'm probably going to just use from that. I don't think I grabbed one. Yeah. And highlight. What was I going to do for a highlight? I didn't pick a highlight. Well, I will probably, there's a couple of highlights. I may have to dig around for a highlight this week. I can't believe I didn't even think of a highlight. It's not like me. It's not like me. And then eyebrows, my Trestique, which I hated at first, now I love. And of course, to carve out the brows, my Loreal Infallible Total Coverage Pro Concealing and Contour. As much as I've had this in a video, I still have to look at the back to actually know the name of it. That's pretty bad. Eyeshadows. There's so many shadows in this. I mean, there's so many looks you can do. There's purples, there's pinks, there's browns, there's even greens. I don't do much green eyeshadow, but there's just so much to do. And these are really, really good, surprisingly good. Let's go to eyeliner. I've got my Kat Von D, which I love this. And then this Kajal, this is from Vasanti Kajal Waterline. I got this in Ipsy, and I really, really like it. It's really good. And forgot to mention my Urban Decay Primer Potion eye primer and Loreal mascara. So that's everything for my makeup of the week. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And make sure you comment below. I love reading your comments. Let me know, do you like any of these? Do you not like them? Give me your opinion. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.